Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Liz, Elizabeth Joy. Instagram handle is the Joyann. I will be unboxing this Ipsy bag. This video, this is my December Ipsy bag. Today is December 11th. It just came today. Hopefully this video is live by the 12th or the 13th so that you can see yours. Anybody else watching gets the Ipsy Glam bag, please comment below and let me know what you got in yours. Did you get the same things? Did you get different things? I will also be trying these products on, so I'm both unbagging and trying them on in this video. If you like beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am a newer YouTuber, so every subscription really helps me out. The quick rundown, I was subscribed to Ipsy in the past, like 2 years ago. I ended up unsubscribing because I was getting highlighters all the time. So I resubscribed like 2 months ago, I think in October. This is the first unboxing that I'm doing live on my channel though, so let me know if you guys want to see more. My first bag was a little meh, and then my second bag was much better after I left them feedback. This is my third bag. Stay tuned to see what I think of this one. I just have the regular Glam bag subscription. This one is $12 a month, and it came in this cute little fuzzy bag this month. Here is just a close-up of the bag. And you have the option to choose one item and then they pick the other 5. This is the item that I chose. It is the Sunday Riley Retinoid Cream. It's miniature. I chose this because I've heard of this brand before, and I haven't really tried any retinoids. I'm probably saying this wrong, but I haven't tried this yet, but I've finally been watching some skincare videos on TikTok, and I do want to up my skincare game. I'm going to be trying these products on. I do have a clean face. I can't remember if this is one that you're supposed to use at night or day. I also know, I do think it is the retinoids that you're not supposed to mix with hyaluronic acid. I do have some hyaluronic acid on my face right now, so I'm just going to Google it on my phone real quick to see if I'll be trying this product on or if I'm going to wait. Okay, so I did some Googling. So hyaluronic acid and retinoid is okay, but I also have salicylic acid on my face, which I don't know, on Google it said you can mix them, but it can also cause irritation, but if you do it the right way it won't, and I'm just gonna try it later because I'm not a dermatologist and I don't want to mess my face up. So what's next? I have this Hurley's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Iodore Serum. And then this product is super tiny. Again, Ipsy is supposed to give you 4 samples and 1 full-size product each month. But I love an eye cream, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on. Check it out. I love an eye cream, so I'm happy to have this. I do feel like it's gonna be a little bit hard to see results with such a small package, because usually, as a good rule of thumb, you should use skincare for like, I think 30 days to kind of see the results, but you know. So next I have this Hey Honey 24/7 Honey Day and Night Moisturizing Cream. Enriches and revitalizes face, neck, and eye area for all skin types. I have honestly never heard of this brand, Hey Honey. The first 2 brands I heard of. I know your parents told you not to do this, and I'm also going to tell you not to do it, but I'm going to open it with my teeth. So this will only probably last me like 3 days, just because it's super tiny, but again, it's just nice to have a little sample, a little something new. It smells good. I know some people don't like scented face products. I don't mind the scent as long as it's light and nothing heavy. Next, I have an eyeshadow single by Violet Voss. I have, again, never heard of this brand. And then I have a lip gloss by Glossing by Laura Makeup Labs. Again, I have never heard of this brand. But that's all that's in my bag, and I want to try everything on, so I'm gonna go do a super quick face and then I will come back on camera. I'm back, so I tried to just do a really quick face so that way we can add these next two products. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this shadow. So it's in a little compact, it looks like the shade is called Nude Sparks. And then it's kind of this brown color and it has some shimmer in it. I tried to swatch it, but it just kind of looks like a bruise on me. But I'm just going to go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. Oh, the little mirror inside is a fake mirror. I have a mirror in front of me, but I thought y'all should know because that's kind of weird. Oh, so it's pretty pigmented. That's good. It's more pigmented than I thought it would be. I think because it looked like a bruise on my arm, I just assumed that it would look like that on my eye, but it's actually really pigmented. This is a nice color. This is a nice color, and it seems like this formula is easy to move. This is probably not the best angle, but there's the shadow. And then I am just gonna put on eyelashes off camera just to finish up the eyes. Oh, let me make sure it's on evenly. Not going anywhere. I'm gonna take my makeup off and go to bed, but I just have to do it. Okay, so my lashes are on. Does anybody else have a bad habit of putting their lashes on before they let the glue get tacky? Or is that just me and my impatient ass? Let me know. But now we're gonna check out this lip gloss. Pretty sure that this lip gloss was the full size product this month. It looks really glittery. I don't know how well you guys can see. It's like really sparkly. It's in a package. Ugh. I hate that I'm about to use my teeth, but these things literally never want to open for me. Wow, why is this so hard? It shouldn't be this hard. Okay, we're making progress. We're making progress. It's been a long time since I've had a lip gloss come this packaged. Like, and I buy a lot of lip gloss. Anyway, the shade is Spells with 2 Z's. I probably shouldn't have used the lip gloss wand because now I have my lipstick all over it, but you live once. I actually really like this shade though. It's this really pretty, like a little bit pinky. I don't wear too many glosses that have the glitter in it, but I actually really like this. Actually, I'm impressed with this Ipsy bag. There was only 2 brands that I knew of, and one of those was a Sunday Riley item that I chose, and then the Purlisse, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, Purlisse. So the other 3 were all probably like indie brands, but I was actually really impressed with the bag this month. So everything's pretty small though, especially it was nice to get more skincare because I've been wanting more skincare, but then I feel like the skincare is almost so small that it's like, what's the point? Where with makeup there's a little bit more of a reason to have a sample size makeup because you can test out the color, see if you like it, whereas skincare you don't really have your results right away, if that makes sense. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this video, if you guys also get Ipsy bags. Let me know what you got. Did we get any of the same things? Did you get something different? And I'd love to see how you guys used yours. Thanks for tuning in.